We all invest with a purpose, whether it's for retirement, your children's education, travel plans, or your dream home. Whether you have short or long-term goals, investing in quality stocks can help you reach them faster by making your money work for you. Did you know that you can be a part owner of some of the country's largest and fastest growing companies? The likes of SM, Ayala, Jollibee, and other household name corporations. Yes, that's possible when you buy shares of these companies in the stock market. Let's break it down with Jollibee as an example. Jollibee is one of the world's fastest growing Asian restaurant chains. Jollibee is not just owned by just one person, it's owned by thousands of people, including regular investors like you and me. How is that possible? When a company wants to grow and expand their business faster, it can sell a portion of its ownership to the public through an initial public offering, or IPO. This is when the company lists its shares in the Philippine Stock Exchange so people can buy them. To start investing, all you need is an account with a stockbroker like COL Financial. For example, the money that Jollibee will get from selling their shares to investors can be used to open more restaurants or branches and hire more employees. Once you buy shares of Jollibee, you become a part owner or a shareholder of the business. And because you're a shareholder of Jollibee, you can benefit from the company's future growth and profits. But also remember, if the company performs poorly, the value of your investment could go down in value too. That's why it's important to choose your stock investments well. As a shareholder, you can earn in two ways. First is through selling your shares at a higher value. If you buy shares of a company and it continues to grow and earn more money, the value of your shares may also increase. Now, if you sell your shares at a higher price than what you bought them for, then you would have earned from your investment. For example, Pure Gold, one of the country's leading supermarket chains for affordable essentials. When Pure Gold went public in 2011, the IPO price was 12.5 pesos per share. Since then, Pure Gold has performed well. By the end of 2024, the price reached 33.7 pesos per share. If you bought shares of Pure Gold back in 2011 and decided to sell them at 33.7 pesos, then you would have earned 21.2 pesos per share. And that's a gain of around 170%. Another way to earn is through dividends. Every now and then, some companies give out dividends to their shareholders as a way of sharing their earnings. You could think of it like a bonus or extra income that you get from your stock investment. The portion of the dividends that you will get are based on the number of shares that you own. For example, Meralco, the country's largest electric power distribution company. In 2024, Meralco issued cash dividends twice, with a total amounting to 21.53 pesos per share. If you owned 1,000 shares of Meralco, then you would have received over 21,500 pesos in cash dividends, on top of any price gains. History has proven that investing in quality stocks can provide greater returns than other types of investments. Over the long term, stocks provide greater returns and protection against inflation. There are two ways to invest in stocks. First is through buying individual stocks directly using your COL account. You'll have more control as you'll be the one to choose the companies, how much to invest, and when you want to buy them. Another way is buying indirectly through mutual funds or unit investment trust funds. This is easier if you don't want to pick stocks yourself. Funds are pooled investments collected from many investors. They are managed by professional managers and invested in a mix of the top companies in the Philippine Stock Exchange. One great option is the COL Strategic Growth Fund, or CSG. CSG offers investors a more convenient way to start investing in the stock market. It's important to spread your investments in different companies across different industries to manage and lower your risk. Funds like CSG make diversification simple and affordable, spreading your money across various sectors with just one investment. CSG is perfect for beginner investors because you only need 500 pesos to start. Your money is spread out across many companies. It's diversified. It can also invest in bonds and lower risk assets to manage risk. You don't need to watch the market daily, as COL experts will do the work for you. Investing is the most effective way to build personal wealth and secure your financial future. On top of that, it allows you to 1. Participate in the earnings and growth of successful companies, 2. Protect your money from inflation, and 3. Help you achieve your goals faster. Successful investment requires discipline. Build the habit by starting a monthly savings and investment plan. As an example, some people try to follow the 50-20-30 budgeting rule. We recommend investing for the long term, as this solves the problem of short-term volatility or the choppiness in price. The stock market tends to go up and down in the short term, as it can be affected by economic, corporate, or even global events. But looking at the bigger picture, history shows that the Philippine stock market has climbed up in the long run, despite the short-term ups and downs. It's also important to invest regularly. It lets you buy stocks or funds gradually over time at more affordable levels and gives your money maximum time in the market, which allows the power of compounding to work best for you. Entering the world of investing can be exciting, but may seem challenging in the beginning. But don't worry, because we're here to help you get started and guide you in your investing journey. COL Financial is the most trusted online stockbroker in the Philippines with over 500,000 clients. By opening a COL account, you gain access to an easy-to-use platform where you can invest in both stocks and funds, all in one place. In COL, we believe every Filipino deserves to be rich. Visit signup.colfinancial.com to open your COL account and start investing today.